In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Obsidian on a Windows laptop or PC, step by step. Obsidian is a powerful Markdown-based note-taking app. It's perfect for building a personal knowledge base, linking notes together, and keeping everything stored locally on your computer. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Windows laptop or PC. In the address bar, go to obsidian.md. I'll also leave the website link in the video description below. Once the website loads, click Get Obsidian for Windows on the page. Next, click Download for Windows. The installer file will start downloading automatically. This may take a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Obsidian setup file. The Obsidian installer will now open. On the installation options screen, select anyone who uses this computer, then click Next. If Windows shows a security or user account control message, click Yes to allow the installer to run. Next, choose the installation location, or leave it set to the default option, then click Install. Now, just wait for the installation process to finish. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Obsidian will launch automatically. If it doesn't, you can open it manually from the Start menu, or by using the Obsidian desktop shortcut. When Obsidian launches for the first time, you'll be asked to create or open a vault. You can create a new vault, or open an existing one if you already have notes. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Obsidian on your Windows laptop or PC. You're now ready to start taking notes, linking ideas, and building your personal knowledge system. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.